Have you ever thought about a job where you can really help others? A job that not only brings you fulfillment but also makes a significant impact on the lives of those around you. Care work lets you do just that. It's a profession where your daily tasks directly contribute to the well-being and happiness of others. It's a job filled with kindness, understanding, and the chance to help those who need it most. Imagine the joy of an elderly person who looks forward to your visits, or the relief of a family knowing their loved one is in good hands. Because more and more people need care workers, getting the right training is super important. Training not only equips you with essential skills, but also prepares you for the various challenges you might face in this rewarding career. It gives you the skills you need and helps you find a really good job. With proper training, you become more confident and capable, making you a valuable asset in the healthcare industry. So let's learn about why getting certified as a care worker is so important. Certification is a testament to your dedication and expertise in providing high-quality care. A certificate shows everyone that you're serious about giving great care. It's a mark of professionalism and commitment to your role. It tells employers and, most importantly, the people you'll be helping that you know what you're doing. This assurance can make a world of difference in the trust and rapport you build with your clients. This first step helps people trust you and believe in your abilities. When you are trusted, you can provide better care and ultimately make a more significant impact in the lives of those you serve.
A care worker certificate is like a special award. It shows you've learned how to care for people in different places. This paper shows you've been trained to give kind and skillful care. Think of it as a badge that says you're good at your job and will always be kind and fair. You get these certificates when you finish special classes or training. They teach you lots of important things about giving good care. You'll learn how to talk to people, take care of their personal needs, keep things clean, handle medicines, and understand what different people need. These lessons make sure you're ready for anything in your job.
There are many different care worker courses, so you can choose what works best for you. It's important to know what kinds of courses exist and how long they take so you can make a good choice. One common type is the Basic Care Worker Certificate, which takes a few weeks or months to finish. These programs teach you the basic things you need to know for easy care jobs. If you want to learn more, there are advanced certificates for things like caring for people with memory problems, helping people who are very ill, or supporting people with disabilities. These courses take longer, maybe several months to a year.
Section 4. Starting your journey. Finding the right care worker course for you. Embarking on a career as a care worker is a noble and rewarding path. The first step is finding the right certification course that fits your needs and lifestyle. So, where can you find these courses? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. The good news is there are lots of places that teach care work, and they each have something special to offer. From hands-on training to flexible schedules, there's a program out there for everyone. Community colleges and vocational schools are great places to start. These institutions often provide comprehensive programs that cover both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. They have great programs with chances to practice and schedules that can change to fit your life. Whether you need evening classes or weekend sessions, these schools can accommodate your needs. Online classes are becoming super popular because you can learn at your own speed and from anywhere. This flexibility is perfect for those who have other commitments, like a job or family. Many websites have fun lessons, pretend practice, and even teachers you can talk to online. These interactive elements make learning engaging and effective, helping you retain information better. The government also helps pay for some programs, so more people can get trained without spending too much. Financial aid and scholarships are available to make education accessible to everyone. Once you complete your course, you'll be well prepared to start your career as a care worker. With the right training, you'll be ready to make a positive impact in the lives of those you care for.
Section 5. Choosing what's best. Good and bad things about different course providers. Each type of care worker course has good and bad things. It's important to weigh these factors carefully to make an informed decision. Thinking about these will help you decide what's best for you. Consider your personal circumstances, learning style, and career goals. Community colleges and vocational schools let you learn in person, practice with your hands, and meet classmates and teachers. This hands-on experience can be invaluable, especially for those who learn best through direct interaction and practical application. But their schedules might not work if you have other things to do. Balancing work, family, and other commitments can be challenging, and fixed class times may not be flexible enough to accommodate your busy life. Online classes are very flexible. You can learn from anywhere and go as fast or slow as you want. This flexibility is ideal for those who need to fit their studies around other responsibilities or prefer to learn at their own pace. But you need to be good at making yourself study and using your time well. Self-discipline and time management are crucial for success in online learning environments, as there is less external structure to keep you on track. Government programs can help pay for your training, which is great if you need help with costs. Financial aid can make education more accessible, reducing the burden of tuition fees and other expenses. But they might not always have enough space, or you might need to meet certain rules to join. Eligibility criteria and limited availability can be barriers, so it's important to research and apply early to secure funding. Section 6. Making smart choices. Important things to think about when choosing a care worker certification course. Before you sign up for any course, there are some really important things to remember. First, make sure the program is accredited. That means it's a good quality course and employers will like it. Second, look for programs that let you practice in real-life situations with experienced people helping you. Third, think about the schedule. Do you need classes at night, on weekends, or online? Finally, find out if the program helps you find a job afterward. Some programs work with hospitals and care places to help you get hired. Section 7. Your amazing career awaits. Becoming a certified care worker. Choosing to be a care worker is amazing. It can be hard work, but helping others feels incredible. Remember, getting your care worker certificate is the most important step. Think carefully about the different courses, who teaches them, and what's important to you. Don't be afraid to ask questions and learn as much as you can. The world needs more caring people like you. Go for it, get certified, and make a real difference in the lives of those who need your help.